Okay. Bill Taub here, television writer. I want to take a little bit of a poll before I start because I have a huge announcement to make. Um, who here would like to be a scriptwriter? Raise your hand, please. Good. Who is a scriptwriter? Not would like to be, but is a scriptwriter. Okay, a little bit lesser. Who would tell me that they used to be a scriptwriter and want to get back into it? Gotcha. Now, who doesn't give a crap about writers? Okay, let me tell you this. The reason I'm saying that is because I'm now announcing my next platform that I'm starting to build, and you might be interested in it. I'm calling it "How to Be a Scriptwriter and Put a Roof Over Your Head," because when I work as a writer, and I also consult with other writers, and I teach at UCLA, and I have a book, a book. Can you see it? Can you see it now? Uh, 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 oh, there you go. There you go. We'll get this next time. Anyway, the thing is that what I find is I work with them on their passion projects, which is really what I like to work on, whether it be a pilot or anything else that's original and unique to them that they want to do. Um, and then they have these 50-hour-a-week jobs, that suck the lifeblood out of them. And they always say to me, which is really interesting, and I understand it now. Um, you know what? The hardest thing for me to do is how to pay next month's rent. Okay. So I decided that I'm going to create a platform or a workshop where it's going to be how to be a scriptwriter and put a roof over your head. And I could help you with both sides of that, either side, both sides, or neither side, because it's really important that any financial person will tell you, you need to have more than one stream of income. And that's what I'm going to share with you in addition. So on the how to be a scriptwriter part, which is something that is what you might want help with for your scripts, I'm opening it up to some new people if you need help with your project, because again, the platforms are really terrific now, and we're starting to open up a little bit. So if you're writing a feature or a television series or a pilot or a web series, or now my favorite new platform is what's called scripted audio podcasts. We used to call it radio, those of us who are old enough to remember radio. And so audio is a tremendous platform. And what's really interesting, I'm on this new social media platform called Clubhouse, which is all audio. And people are getting more and more entrenched in loving audio and not being tied to a screen. So that's also an option that I could help you with. So I can help you with how to be a scriptwriter, work on your projects, because I've been doing that for going on 35 years now. I can't believe it. And if you're interested in that, I could do that. I also think it's very important for you to network. As I tell the people I work with in my classes, it's do the work and network. If you do those two things, you'll eventually get your shot. As I like to try and tell people, and I hope it's encouraging for you to realize this, these are not businesses of geniuses. Guilty as charged. The thing is that you can do it if you do the work and network. All right. So that's the script writing part of it. Now, to put a roof over your head, I have found, and I have many other people in the entertainment business in particular, but I'm dealing with writers because that's my expertise, have found this tremendous part-time online e-commerce businesses that they can do from home in and around everything else they're doing. And that creates a second stream of income, which can help support you're doing your passion projects. Because I find that sitting down or not sitting down or standing up at a stand-up desk to create a project, right, is something that you could do anytime, anywhere, and just know that you can do it. So that being said, if you want to partake of how to be a scriptwriter and put a roof over your head, by all means, text me or DM me or whatever. I'm sending you this invitation. This is the first one I'm doing. So it is running a little long, but it's the first one I'm doing. And just let me know you're interested in getting more information on either side of that. And just know I'll tell you now, one of the things that's coming up is this summer, I'll be teaching at UCLA online, the writers program, scripted podcasts, scripted audio, what we used to call radio. Okay. So now you know. But again, I'm not pushing for any of these things. I'm not in the convincing business. I give you the information and then you take of it what you want, because they only have 15 slots to fill. So it's not like, there's a seat for anybody who wants it, So I just letting you know that that's going on. And by the way, if anybody's on Clubhouse, I'm starting my room Thursday, tomorrow, the 8th, at noon. So it might have already happened. But anyway, the thing is, if you are on Clubhouse, come join us. There's a seat for everybody. I promise you. So other than that, as we come out of our pandemic, hopefully we're going in the right direction. All I have to say to you is stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay sane.